Today I'm going to show you how to install and run an Android app or an APK that is from outside of the Play Store onto your computer. Open your web browser. Go to your preferred search engine. Mine is duckduckgo.com. Search for Nox, N-O-X-P-L-A-Y-E-R. And it should be the first one. Click on Download. Once it's done downloading, you can close your web browser. Go to File Explorer, which is the folder icon. Go to Downloads. And double-click on Nox Setup, or right-click on it and select Open. If you get a pop-up, click Yes. Click Install. Reject. Click Start. Minimize Nox Player. Now go back to your web browser. Go to your preferred search engine. Search for the name of the app that you want to download. Mine is Anyme, so it's capital A, N, capital Y, M-E, space, official, O-F-F-I-C-I-A-L, space, download, D-O-W-N-L-O-A-D, space, website, W-E-B-S-I-T-E. Click on Download the app. Close your web browser. Go to File Explorer. Go to Downloads. Double-click on anyme.apk, or the app that you downloaded, and select Nox Player. Select just once or always. I'm going to go with always. Here we have Anyme, which is an anime app. So that is how you install an Android app or APK on your Windows computer that's from outside of the Play Store. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you in my next video.